Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we have the secret recipe, the secret formula, because we're doing Krabby Patties. I'm going to start off with some homemade home fries. First, grab a few russet potatoes. I'm going to turn these into little Lincoln logs. Slice the edges off, and we're going to square these off. Once you got the edges nice and squared off, you're going to make slices. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to flip these on the side and we're going to make these nice and thin. After you finish slicing, we're going to go ahead and toss these fries into a bowl, and we're going to soak them in water for 30 minutes. Oh yeah, make a nice little pool. Okay, after 30 minutes, we're going to drain the water out. Throw down a sheet of parchment paper. This is so it doesn't stick. And you're going to want to dry these fries. Pat these dry real good. We're going to rain down some oil. I'd say maybe about a tablespoon. We're going to shower some salt. Shower some coarse ground pepper. Shower some onion powder. Add some garlic powder. Oh yeah. Give it a little bit of a touch of some paprika. Throw some oregano on these bad boys. Alright, take these fries and you're going to throw them in the oven at 425 for 45 minutes to an hour. Today I'm using 2 pounds of ground chuck, 80-20. Throw these in a bowl. We're going to add 1 large egg. 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, I don't think I said that right. 2 tablespoons of milk. One teaspoon salt. One teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You're gonna mix this real good.
Ship sail, we said a welcome all aboard now. Ship sail, we're saying welcome all aboard. We're saying if you're disobedient, we will throw you overboard. If you're disobedient, we will throw you overboard.
To form these, I'd say roll them up into maybe about a 3-inch diameter balls.
Got to be wise, got to realize too much rocking and a boat capsize.
And we're gonna squash them. We want these around 1 inch thick, 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. You can go a little bit thicker. All right, let's go throw these bad boys on the grill. I got my grill, my Traeger, fired up at 500 degrees, and we're gonna be grilling these 3 minutes and 30 seconds each side.
Before your ship capsize.
Once you flip, you add the cheese, and then you throw the buns in.
Ship sail, we're saying ice is all aboard now. A ship sail, we're saying how many them are on board. We're saying if you're disobedient, we will throw you.
Close it up, and we're doing 3 minutes and 30 seconds exactly.
Be wise, got to realize too much rocking and a boat capsize. Got to be wise, got to realize too much rocking and a boat capsize. Before your ship capsize.
But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'm telling you, this burger recipe is gonna change your mind. Try it out. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Look out for the next video. See you guys. Have a safe day.